That's a very, very sexy sound to me. I really like it. That's what a V8 sounds like. There's a 3UZ in there. For those who follow my program, I think you already know what we have on Katana. The car is now at the VR Motorsports. We're here for further upgrade, especially on all the billet stuff. But before we move to the front, I just want to show you my new orange harness. I got this from Japan during my Tokyo Auto Salon trip. I think this is really cool. It goes so well with the car. I just love it. Previously we have a green color, so it's perfect that I managed to find orange color. That's Autoback's color. This steering is new. It's given to me from a friend of mine, Nicholas. Don't know why he gave me this steering. I guess he liked me, so doesn't matter. I like it, quite cool. It's got some embroidery on it, and it looks pretty sick as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's a nice deep dish steering wheel. In terms of body, I think not much. Well, we didn't do anything much on the body. The body's already pretty much done. Mostly all the works are all focused on the engine components. As you all know, my last video, we also talked about the AP titanium exhaust and the intake. This is done already. Now, I want to show you the work that done by VR Motorsport are the intake box. This is the part where it was custom by them. So at least now I know I can drive in the wet, not to have worry about water get sucked through the air filter, so which is nice. They also clean up the engine area, like all the small bracket that you don't really get to see. The only thing left on the engine side is the plenum and the fuel rail. Currently, we're still running on stock. As we speak, they are already in progress. They already scanned the entire engine, so they're working on the new plenum and the new fuel rail. Also, my timing cover, they've done it already. So here we have the prototype. These are basically 3D printing. It looks really sick. The actual product, when it's done, it will be in full billet. Color-wise, I think we're gonna go anodized orange, of course, to go with the Autoback theme. So this is in progress as well, so coming up soon. Moving forward, let me show you the bike. Before we move to the bike, all right, over here, this is the new billet battery bracket by VR as well. They custom this for me. And of course, I requested a bracket to hold my ECU somewhere around here as well. And that is in progress as well. This is also a new upgrade. So if you can see this funnel from the bottom, from the undercarriage up, and these two lines here, these are basically the water line for my radiator going and return. What happened was previously I have my ran underneath the undercarriage all the way to the rear. They did not like the arrangement, and reason is because the hose was sitting a bit too low. They just don't want the hose to be caught during driving, and that will rip the whole thing out, and then that's it. I have no water supply to the radiator, so they decided to move halfway through the undercarriage and then bypass through the internal part of the chassis, which is running in here. This is a better way, safer way as well to run the water line. A lot of work has been done towards the rear sections. Check out the new radiator. It's really, really cool. I love it. And they also make me this new reservoir as well, fully billet, and all the attention to detail, like the holder, the bracket, the way they angle the fans. I don't know whether there's any benefit, but who cares? I like it. It looks really cool. As you can see inside, this is the fuel surge tank. Beautiful. It's full billet. It looks like a nuclear reactor to me, but sadly it's a little bit inside. I wish that thing is maybe a bit more exposed, but anyway, it doesn't matter. You can still see it. This is the fuel pump housing, and then this is the water pump, which is sitting outside the fuel pump housing. Everything is very neat now. So the next step now is we're going to move the car to Ken Racing for dyno. Mazrun, my tuner, is going to give it a final tune on the dyno, and then I think hopefully everything goes well. Then I think the car is going to hit the track. It's been a while. I really can't wait to get in there and drive this car. I haven't actually driven this car yet, so I really don't know how it handles the power band and so forth, but the engine sounds so sweet, and yeah, I'm just excited. I really can't wait to get in there. So that being said, behind me, my Gallardo. this out. They already started working on the car. This is our next big project. As you all know, we also talk about building a GT3 drift car. So this is it. This is the one. And now it's here with VR Motorsports. We are working on the steering angle kit, basically the wide angle kit. Also a few other stuff on the fuel tank area, surge tank, anything that we can make the car better towards the drift spec. That's what the boys are working on. So I will update you more as things progress. So that's all for the update.